You don't know me, baby, but I see you around. It might seem kinda crazy, but I'm just new in town. And now I wonder what you think if I said, hey, look, I'd like to get your number and a link to your Facebook. Now if I tell you what a nice guy's supposed to, would that make you have to scream when I approach you? You'll have to promise me you'll take this news calmly, but honestly, I'm sick of the zombie. I knew you'd be surprised, you can bet that I may not be alive, but I sure as hell ain't dead inside. What's with the shotty? I ain't wishing you harm. You see, I try to hold your hand, but I'm missing an arm. And brains are all I've eaten. I think it's true, but if my heart was still beating, it would be for you. So let me take you to Wendy's, you deserve it. Yeah, I'm a zombie, baby, ain't nobody perfect. I'll chase you through the yard and all through the house into the dark. Oh, I wanna steal your heart and eat your brains. I've never been so true, but if my heart was still beating, it would be for you. Oh, Baby, sometimes I bite, and you can bet that I got an appetite for human flesh. I'll always be near the that when I nibble on your earlobe, you might get infected, huh?
Yay, that's alright,
I'm undead, but you make me feel alive. And when I chase you through the graveyard, it feels like foreplay. If I'm lying, I'm dying, and I speak truly when I say I love you, mine, I'll take brains over beauty. You'll be the undead, Dagwood and Blondie when I teach you how to zombie.
Teach you how to zombie.
And you can sing along to this post-apocalyptic post-mortem love song. So give me a chance, girl, you know I'll be worth it. Yeah, I'm a zombie, baby, ain't nobody perfect. I'll chase you through the yard and all through the house into the dark. Oh, I wanna steal your heart and eat your brains. Ain't so true, but if my heart was still beating, it would be for you. Wanna steal your heart.
Hey, mate, what are you worried about? What are you worried about? Is this me? No! I don't think you anybody. How are you scared of me?
Hi guys.
How are you scared?
Fake gun, just say. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.